Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy crypto on Tonkeeper wallet. Alright, so your first step would be to simply scroll through till you find a Tonkeeper wallet. Make sure you've downloaded the Tonkeeper wallet and open it up. Alright, so once you're on the Tonkeeper wallet, all you need to do to buy cryptocurrency on Tonkeeper is quite easy. We have two ways to go about this. We can either use the buy or sell option that's shown here, or we can make use of the swap feature that's also available. If you were to click on the swap feature, you're going to need some Ton to cover your gas fees. You're going to need Ton to cover your gas fees. Or if you want to make use of the USDT on the Tron network, you're going to need Ton again to cover the gas fees for transactions on the USDT Tron or the USDT TRC network. So how do you go about this? Click on the swap feature. Okay, so once the swap menu opens up, you can see you can convert from the Ton network to USDT TRC20 down below. And if you don't want to buy USDT, you can select dogs or Notcoin. So let's just go with Notcoin. They both share the same network. So let's say for 10 Tron, you're getting 11,000 Notcoins. And all you need to do is just click on convert and simply convert your Ton into the Notcoin tokens. You can do this for other cryptocurrencies like the USDT, X Empire, Gram, and Stone. Alright, so once you enter an amount, just simply click on swap. You can also view the transaction info. Alright, so that's the swap menu. The next is the buy or sell. So click on buy or sell and you're shown the cryptocurrencies you can buy. You can buy Ton on Transact Mercuro. Same thing with USDT, MoonPay, Mercuro, Notcoin is Mercuro, and there's also another swap feature here. So we're just going to be focusing on buying either Ton or USDT. So to buy any of these, you must have a credit card. So all you need to do now, let's go with Transact for this and then click on buy Ton. Alright, so depending on your region, all you need to do is click on this drop down here and then select your local currency that you want to make use of. So we could make use of the United States dollar for this transaction. So just go ahead and select the United States dollar and enter an amount. So let's simply go with 20, all right? And then for 20 US dollars, you can select whether you want to make use of Apple Pay or Google Pay or your Visa card. So the Visa card is much cheaper, and then the amount of Ton you're receiving is shown. And now all you need to do is click on buy now, enter your email address, add your banking information and your government provided ID, and then you'll be able to buy crypto using this platform. Do note that your information will be shared with Transact, and that's how you can buy crypto. Alright guys, and once you've bought your crypto, you'd find it on your wallet here. And that's how you can go about this. So comment down below if you have a question. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.